541 helper. This is your last update video. I wanted to show you this real quick. We got all this power sprayed and done. You see, we put a lot of new siding on. There's this. So this is good. Go inside. We got this, and we're going to get that door, but we got I showed you the red paint. We're going to put that color on here too, on this front door. This is going to be good. You can look at your new flooring. We're almost done. So we're getting a new AC in there, but you can see all right here, this is all your new flooring. It's all painted. Put some new lights we still got to put in. Digital thermostat. See here, this was all sprayed. This is nice, all brand new. A new toilet. And all this is floored. There's the new light here, so that works great. New blinds, paint, plug switches, lights, all new. And this is really looking good. Then you got the beautiful kitchen. We're gonna put those up here too, so they're gonna all match. All this, there's your stove. This here. So we started the bathroom down here. So this is the new bathroom. It's all drywalled. There's that. So they're letting things dry. But there's where your toilet, the shower is in. You can see it looks pretty cool. And your toilet goes over here. Or your toilet goes there, and your vanity goes here. So it's going to look really good. Box. All this. You get your washer and dryer back here. So everything's going to be done early next week. I'll get the final pictures and video. The professional will come out and do that. It'll look really good. We'll get the red door in. This is Turnkey Realty, 216-703-5740. If you have any questions or concerns, call me. If you want to get into investment real estate, check out my websites below. Thanks. Have a great day.